Ready? We're here with the newest grads from CellBotics. Say hey guys! They just passed the cell phone repair certification course, so they got their certificates.
Yeah, you guys have to call and let me know.
In Virginia, right?
Yeah, I'm in Virginia.
So, what did you think of everything, Lon?
It was amazing. I love the hands-on. Teachers were great and very knowledgeable.
Awesome, awesome. How about you, Thomas? You got anything to say?
Same thing as Lon said, but take pictures. Always take pictures. Pictures. Number one, take pictures.
Yes. He was telling everybody, you need to be taking pictures. If you're not taking pictures, you're missing out on some information. So how about you, Mr. Peter?
I had a great time. Fantastic class. Miss Tabitha is an awesome instructor, as well as Miss Brittany. And I learned so much today. It's going to stay with me the rest of my life. I'm really excited.
Good. We're so excited to see what you do. And how about you, Miss Key? You're getting ready to do your WISE certification. You excited?
Yeah, I learned a lot. Like, more than I thought I was going to. I was like, we're going to be here for 4 days. We might not learn too much, but I learned a lot.
Right, and you already have a shop or a location, right? Yes, so you're going to be able to take a lot home.
So if you're in Louisiana, hit me up. We'll take these.
Yes. So yeah, we're here. We got all these grads. We're about to go ahead and get Miss Key her WISE Level 2 certification test. So we will see all of you soon. Be sure to sign up at cellbotics.com.